There we go. بسم الله غادي نبداو دابا. سامي باقي مبغاش يهبط. يلا let's go سامي. يلا اجي بابا. You can use the scooter if you want, Daddy. It's right here.
What?
Sammy, it's right here. يلا جادو يلا جادو.
Who was that? Who was that that scream?
Sammy, go this way.
No.
Yeah, let's start with those.
God, no.
Yeah, let's go. Other side. Yeah, like that. Because this plastic has to be in the elbow. Yalla. Are you tired?
What?
You tired?
Oh, I have to do that to warm me up.
Though it's still a little bit bigger than you, but I think it's okay. It's gonna get the job done. Now we're gonna start with.
Dad, Sammy's
with the
in
knee
the
pad.
playing ground.
That's okay. Okay. Okay, Baba, yalla. Take off your shoes.
But he left his scooter.
It's okay. No one will touch it. Yalla. Put.
It's just like.
Yalla. Is he right on your knees?
I'm getting afraid with it.
Yalla, the other one.
Dad, I'm afraid of all of this.
Why? Don't be afraid. No. That's why we have those knee pads and elbow.
The ground's stronger than plastic. See, Dad, even though that is super strong plastic.
Wait. There we go. No, Baba, don't be scared.
These
Can you hold this one? No, it's fine. Can you hold this one?
stronger.
I'm gonna show you that it's not gonna hurt you. Yeah, go down to your knees like this. No, put your knees on the floor. Yeah. Do like this. Get up. And go directly on your knees. Did you get hurt? No, here we go. I told you, Daddy. Be careful, there's a bike in there.
Oh,
It's not coming to you. Yalla, Daddy. Bismillah. Hold it. Wait. Let me go get the scooter. Yes, Baba.
you know the brakes?
You know the brakes?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yalla, let's go.
Dad, these are the brakes.
Yalla, let's go.
These are the hand brakes. These are the feet brakes.
Yalla, pedal.
That I don't fall.
No, you're not fine, but you're good.
Ooh.
You see, I told you, Bob. Keep pedaling.
Ooh.
Because you go on the right too much. No, just get the balance, Baba. Get the balance. Stay on the bike on the middle.
Okay.
You wanna do it again? Look at me.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Uh-huh.
Stay on the bike. You know your butt crack has to be on the bike, on the seat. And then, like I told you, look at me. If you feel yourself you're gonna fall on the right, move a little bit to the left. And then the same thing, if you feel yourself you're gonna fall on the left, make yourself a little bit, not too much, just a little bit on the right. And then keep focusing, keep pedaling, look at the front, and then you're not gonna fall. And if you think like, oh, I'm gonna fall, think that you're not falling, and you're not gonna fall.
Wait. I gotta do something.
Yeah. Look at the front, Baba. Yeah, keep going straight. Baba, why you going to the right? No. You're playing, Baba. You're playing too much. I'm gonna give you a sneaker.
No, I'm just trying to go to the left a little bit, and I'm trying to go to the right a little bit.
No, but I see you doing like this. You're going to the left. No, don't do that. Yalla.
I'm just trying to
Yalla.
stay good.
Focus.
Stay good.
You did it good when we start riding this morning. And relax your hand. Here we go. Yeah, like this. Perfect.
Zigzag sometimes.
No, don't do this zigzags. Yeah, turn. Little bit, just a little bit.
It's like too fast to handle.
Yalla, pedal.
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Okay, pedaling.
ooh, 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 ooh. I'm doing the zigzag.
No, don't do zigzag. Just keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Good, Baba, good. Just keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Don't stop. Yalla, turn around.
I think I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. Just keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. You see, you didn't fall. Just keep pedaling.
I feel like I'm just knocking it.
Good job, Daddy. Keep pedaling. I'm far away from you. You do it good. Now you're gonna turn. Now you turn.
Dad, wait, can I get off this tire that's
No.
really good?
No. Yeah, I'm not right next to you. Go. I'm right next to you. Just go. You're not falling, Baba. You're not falling.
Dad,
There you go.
Dad, I was doing pretty good.
Yeah, that was good, Baba. That was perfect. Give me Pito.
I was doing so much. You think I have to take a break so I can do more?
No. Good job, Daddy. Let's do it. Look how he's doing. You see? He's pedaling good.
What I was trying to do is like that, but
Yeah. You're gonna get there. Let's go. Yeah. JK, قاعدين هاد البرامج هذيك زمان إني كنعرف نلعب بيكالا. He's just showing off right now, like I'm doing good. Tahim, I'm gonna learn, and then I'm gonna do better. Let's go.
why did he pick up that
That's
map?
mine. يلا بروح حيد الطريق غتموت. That's okay. Yeah, turn, Baba. Turn a little.
I'm just trying to turn. I know.
There we go.
Oh, don't steady, but
Look at the front.
God.
Keep pedaling, Baba. Keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling, Baba. You're gonna stop if you stop pedaling. You see?
I'm trying to pedal.
No, you didn't try.
What do you mean?
But I saw you stop.
I just
Accidentally you stop. The bike is gonna stop. Yalla, pedal. We're gonna go around the pole. Yalla, turn around. Go by yourself. Good job. Go. Just keep pedaling, keep pedaling. You do it by yourself, Daddy. You good? Try to turn around slowly. Try to turn, Baba. Try to turn. You're good, you're good. Keep pedaling, Baba. Perfect, Daddy, perfect. Keep pedaling. I'm gonna make a video. Yalla. Keep pedaling, Baba. I'm gonna make a video to send it to mommy. Yalla, keep pedaling. Good job, Daddy. Yalla, turn around. Good job, Baba. You see? You get the balance now.
I was doing pretty good, right? I was just doing
You okay?
I'm just trying to
You good?
learn how to ride a bike because I still don't know how to ride a bike.
Yeah, let's go, Daddy.
That one. Oh. Oh, come on. The boys are running.
Yeah, you're gonna go by yourself. You see? You good, Baba? You got the balance. Yeah, here we go.
Oh. Oh.
Keep going, keep going. I'm just behind you. Just keep going. Pedal fast a little bit. Yeah. Go around the pool, Daddy.
Okay.
You got it, Daddy. You got it. I'm gonna buy you a new bike. Perfect, Daddy. Perfect. Perfect, Daddy. Yeah, let's go, go. نبروش كيطربك على البي ميكس زوين عنده. هادي صغيرة ماشي قد جات، خصني ناخد وحدة جات بحال هادي كتكون كبيرة شوية، تكون واقيلا قد 20 واقيلا. يلا let's go. Why are you falling, Daddy?
I'm just trying to not
يلا
fall.
let's go.
Are you No, I'm just trying to not fall. Whoa.
Go all the way to the pool and then get around the pool, okay? Go fast a little bit. There we go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, you're not falling. Pedal, Baba. When you stop pedaling, that's what happened.
I just tried to not stop pedaling. I just tried.
Okay, yellow, get the bike.
I'm just trying to.
Yeah.
Okay. More class.
Turn around, Zed. هاد البراش حمقوني شوية تيجيو قدامه وهو كيخاف. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Trying to.
You didn't get hurt, right?
Max's rubber.
Did you get hurt? No,
Like, I just got hold of glove here.
but it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Get your bike and let's go again. Listen to her, she said you're gonna be okay.
Yeah, but we're making it glove. And listen to Matic.
البولق هادو عرفتي هو بيض وهي بيضة. دو خاصهم العربية ديالنا عرفتي كيوليو حمرين. It's okay, you just lost the balance.
Watch Matic. Matic, do it.
Yeah.
Watch. I was on there. Watch him. Watch him. He just needs some balance.
When you stop pedaling, you're falling.
See? He got some balance.
That's what I'm talking about. قلت لك راك شديتي التوازن. Yeah, but you have to turn around far away from the pool.
I'm just trying to not run
It's okay.
into the pool.
It's okay. Let's go.
It's okay. I didn't walk. I lost my balance. I'm just trying to.
It's okay, Baba. Just focus. Focus. It's okay.
Down there. There you go. There you go.
مقوم بالهضرة هذوك. Here we go. Here we go. You're doing it. برزطو جد ما خلاوش يركزها وما خلاش قاع يدور. يا متى بيكارة صغيرة عليه شوية خاصني نحط شي بيكارة أخرى. Keep going, Jad. Yalla, all right, Baba. Keep practicing.
You just have to tell what I do. Like I do. I just can't balance.
Yalla.
Yeah. Keep pressing up the way up. Let's fight up the way up. So I got mine up the way up.
That's a nice bike.